Hello friends! Ito ang ganap dito sa aking garden ngayong araw na ito. Ginathered lahat ng asawa ko ang mga flowers in pot. Yan sila oh. Ang lalago nila. Kaya lang pretty soon they're going to lose their leaves and flowers. Nakakapanghinayang. Kasi ang lalago nila, ang gaganda nila. Ito ay mga iba-ibang klaseng euphorbia. This is about like more than 20 variety, different kind of euphorbia that I've been collected over the years. At marami na rin namatay from the last few years. Ang gaganda nila. They're going to lose their leaves soon. I'll show you. Kaya sila ngayon, ginathered niya lahat, pinagsama-sama lahat sila kasi doon sila pupunta. Look. Yan. See that tent? That tent is a 10 by 20 na mayroong heat lamp at saka grow light inside. So, once na ito plumeria, maganda. Once na mag-freeze, when the freeze comes, agad-agad, syempre, we are going to put all of these pots, flower pot, in there. So they're gonna be safe there through the winter time. They're going to sleep there. So I will show you the inside of that tent in a different video. So yan. So sa dinami-dami ng mga flower pots, they're going to be safe. And then the orchids, they're inside there. They're inside this greenhouse right here. Those are my Sposicium dendrobium orchids. So, okay. There's a lot more that way. Pero inuunti-unti niya kasi mag-isa lang siyang nagta-transfer. Okay, you guys, I will give you more update once na naka-safety na sila sa tent na may grow light at heat lamp. Ganyan ko kamahal ang aking mga halaman, you guys. They are precious to me. Gaganda oh. Thank you for watching.